ቅድሚ almost ሓደ ሰዓት ኣቢሉ ድዩ ገለ ሓንቲ ኣገዳሲት ፍጻመ እንዲያጋጢማ ዘላ and that is of the Wall Street Journal እንዲያወፅያ ዘላ and it says that ኤርትራ ኣብ ኤርትራ ምስ ኣሜሪካ ተዘራረብ ከም ዘላ sanctions ካ ገለ ክፋልናቱ ሊፍት ክገብርዎ መደብ ከም ዘለዎም ይንገር ኣሎ Yes, this is actually true. Remember the President says last year
Wall Street Journal they're very credible.
Yeah, and just for that sake, come on, Haji, subscribe, Gere. I have read that article, and this is. I'm really happy. عامي أكتوبر أبيل Egypt خير خلا President says مستي senior advisor ناي أفريقيا. مسات بلوس تراخيبهم كم زنبرو Egypt broker كم زجبرتهم and تي أبتو من جدي كم زنبرو نويحوان and it seems like مسيرترا engage جبرو خم زلوا background and this is نبحكي إذا حقو سينايو ما كان مزراب نبحكي إذا حقو سينايو and let's hope as تودنا قريلا at the process كم زلوا يزنقر and clearly the حجزلو tensions دما نتي إيرترا ولا حجلن كان أتو حقوس لغنا يتحقوس كيدو زلو it's not necessarily مسجب سترايز الرخب زلو مثلا there is a back channel America ونزراربو كم زلون and this is also how I can connect the dots right now مالت أي برهلين دينيرو تينا يجبت من مللاس أبايتا بزح نريا لنان جن they're actually present سياس حمشت معلتين هنا يرجع ما تلوخنا بخيدو لأنه وح معلتات so ناس Saudi Arabia من مللاس ونتحاوي سكايو this is a big news and I think حكيتي بلتقنا كعبت كحقي they already some sources ناتهم نجيرهم ممنيرهم كم زغون فلوتيو and نتي إيرترامس جبت تكبر زلا لو مي I think نزيها من هذا ما بيبقى مجال حنتي أفتناتهم جورنال أو سيوم نيرم very aggressive زغون إيرترا سكبتي more نتأتاتو تخيل كم زلا yes and they had this article and they've been trying نتي إيرترا كابز دايسة كابز ناي زلا تكونتات نكوسوا حنسام سيران كبلوا they tried a lot and I think to some extent مستنا إمارات push قال كفالنا إسرائيل وبوش نيرو دونالد ترامب سيمست موريجر مسير تراين جيش كي بريزل زول يمثل and من this
coming from Wall Street Journal they're the Tami one of the credible to news outlet credibly the Tami to the extreme command
at least they don't like Donald Trump and if they can say this is also true
yeah because they're liberal يوم بزحتهم يوم New York Times Wall Street Journal Bloomberg كلهم Bloomberg
at least Donald Trump ساعتهم legal action وسيدلو and recently لما بزحنا to expose كجبروه سلزقنا يوتوالي يغمطالنا واحد صحيف نيرو they are the falling Wall Street Journal blah 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 نابله كتعرفهم يقن I think it is one of the biggest كابتن زعبيو articles published برلون بوتايو and if there is anything credibility up to mainstream media هذا كابتن is Wall Street Journal and I think up to policy making when عبس الوازل لويو so like confirm that I تودنا له decision جن مسير تراك زرارب كم زدلي زلوا opportunity ناي resource يكون ناي geopolitical نزح جزء الجيوبوليتكس ما كتكمل خمس دليل نقدر زلوا article and at least بسم كذا article زي حد subscriber رغيبه ماله ناي مالتي
I'm gonna be one I'm gonna
subscribe لو قبل كم باب انت خمس ثانية
يخفلوا كان بتم ببايا يخفلوا
أنا
that's the problem
وكفيل كان دي بزوج زين دي تكمل لا أنا قد نورمال تايت المسرع أخو أب يوتيوب يبقى لي يزدليت فيديو سلاد سرحوا بزوج زي سورس سلازخون فيديو يرغب يبقى على زياجن نهار تراس لازخونة كذا yes I must read it
but this is a good news
this is a very good news
መመለላስ ዝኸሉ ታይ ባህልቲ ስለደ ይዛረቡ ባና ወገን ካይንድ እንታይ ግበራሉ ኢና ንብል ነርና ማለት I knew something ከም ድህሉ ምክንያቱ ዝኸሉ መገሻ ዝኸሉ ገለስ ግን ከም ዝኻኽት ሰማዓስ it's really good news ba
very fruitful
I mean to celebrate ጽቡቅ ነገር እንደገን ተወደ ነገር አይኮነን ግን መከይዱ ወላ ቲ engage ክገብሩ ድሕሪ ክንደይ ዓመታት እዮም directly engage ክገብሩ ዝጀምሩ ዘለው ስለዚ እጂ ድማ ምስ እጂ ተፈጢሩ ዘሎ መድረኽ ኤርትራ ምስ ሳዑዲያን ምስ ኢጅፕትን ዘለዋ አገዳሲ relationship እንደገና ቲ ቀርና አፍሪካ ዘለዎ ኩነታት ኢትዮጵያ already ab serious situation but hala gudayna Sudan triola bniot nay hutilo ስለዚህ the whole region is on flames and it is a rational decision Mr. Trak zararabo but on the contrary Mr. Traz እንደና ንخيግበር ዝንኩ ሀገራት ድማ deep pockets ይዘለዎም ከማል ኢማራት ግን for whatever reason right now ንሳተሙ ጽቡቅ ያለው ስለዚህ እቶም ዝጽልዩ ዝነበሩ ኤርትራ ምናልባት ዝገዳ ነክላ ዓለላ ጸሎትኩም ተበጽሕሎ በልዎም ቀሪቡሎ በልዎም ወስቑሉ ቀሪቡሎ ኻበልዎም
amen this is what we need and plus 99 one I Canada Joshua Mahad Ba'du that you know his positive feedback so Ba'du coach means ብዙሕ ከም ዘሎ you can tell wala tishat ዝገበሩ all the trip as you said wala in Saudi wala in Egypt ዝገበሩ it really fruitful ኮይና መጨረሻ
Actually, in Canada, galamele kullatom on the background information allomi. Na European Union Special Envoy, na Canada, Galezi, Japan, galamele zinkasaqasu zallo 3 wom zallom. They have a connection. Eritrea is supposed to be a pariah state. Pariah state malet. No one engages with this government malet. So it's a signal na America ስለዝሩዩ ዘለው የምንሳቶም ከምዚና በኤርትራ ዝተተኑ ዘለው ንሳተው እናቶም ክገብሩ but the signal was they knew ያ ተገራ ከም ዝነበረት አሜሪካን ባላ engage ክትገብር ክትደል ከም ዘላ ስለዝራዩ signal እዮም more ንሳቶም ዝድርዩ ነበርና ዲፕሎማቲክ መመለላስ ገለመን ታሪኻዮ ካብዚ ረስ በገሰ ይኮነን ሕጂ ድርዳና ናይውን ትሪዮ ከለው ማለት I was reporting all those sort of ጽቡቅ ዝኾነ movement ስር ነይረግን connection ክትፈጥሮ ተኸንካ ናይዚ ምዕራባዊ ዓለም ሓደ አገባቢ ዘለዎ America I don't know ቶም separate group chat ሎም ኾነ አሜሪካ ዝገብረቱን ወይውን ክትገብረ መስመደበት እዮም ቶም ካልኦት ክንቀሳቀሱ ዝፍትኑ ስለዚ
no you're right ስታምስ ክትገብሩ መስፈተነቱ እዮም ዝገብሩ እዚ እንደ ሕሪኻዮ ሕጂ ናይ ጃፓን all over the sudden ናይ ጃፓን you know activities ናይ ጃፓን diplomat they are all over the place they are posting everywhere wala ናይ Canada so ናታቶም ቁርብ ምንጭ ምስራአዮም so you're absolutely right take what I go ahead
and a kind of China on the counter ንምግባር እዩ because they know the situation ዳርጋ ተሓናና እንዲም በጽሕም ዘለው ዝናይ ወሽመጥ ሕርሙዝ ንሪዮ ዘለና ዝጅ ብሎኬድ ገይሮሞ ዘለው it is less to do with Iran and more to do with China is bahal ስለዚህ Venezuela Iran tendency ሲኒ አምኒ ነትር አካይዳ ናይ አሜሪካ ሲ ነትና ቻይና checkmate ክገብሩ ወንድም ድፍትኑ ዘሎ ስለዚህ ኤርትራ ምስ ቻይና ዘሎ ዝምድና ሪኻ maybe ክንቀድም ኣለና እውን ክመስል ይኽእል እዩ ስለዚህ for any reason ኤርትራ ምስ አሜሪካ engage ክትገብር የዋሳይ because nobody can lift the sanctions China wala Russia ኤርትራ ንጸገማ መፍትሕ ክኾኑ ይክእሉን they can help us but the main problem is it's sanctions lifted today ኮይኑ optimally operate ክገብር አይትኽእል ኤርትራ ስለዚህ the government of ኤርትራ ዘሎ ኣነና ጠያብ ሓንቲ ቪድዮ legacy ናቶም ኣብ ትዊተር ምጽሒፍ ነይረ legacy ናይ መንግስቲ ኤርትራ ነቲ ዝመጽእ ወለዶ ነዛ ፓዝል እዚኣ ፈቲሖም ልክኸዱለዎም ምስ አሜሪካ ዘሎ ጸገም ተደይ ፈቲሖሞ ኤርትራ ኣብ ትራንዚሽን ትገብረሉ ብዙሕ እንቅፋት ክንረክብ ኢና ብዙሕ ፈተና ክንረክብ ኢና መንእሰይ እውን ህዝቢ እውን ተረጋጊ ክነብር ኣይኮነን ምስ አሜሪካ ዘሎ ፈቲሖም ኣብ ጽቡቕ ዝኾነ ምስ ስዑድያን ምስ ግብፅን ኣብ ጽቡቕ ኣላይመንት እንተለኻ then ምስ አሜሪካ ንክትፈትሑ ኢንዳይሬክትሊ ጽቡቕ መንገዲ ኸይድ ካለኻ ማለት እዩ እዚ ምስ ራሽያ ዝግበር ዝነበረ ዘይቅጽልዎ ዝነበሩ ምስ ቻይና ዝግበር እውን ዕንቆት ዘይውስኽሉ you can imagine ስለምታይ ይገብርዎ እቲ leadership they know already they make these calculations and NIU more ንዓና ከዋፃና ዝኽእል ኢሎም ካልኩሌት ገብርዎም ዝነበሩ ክትግምት ትኽእል ሕጂ in a sense ሕጂ ንሪኦ ዘለና ድማ actually كل ጊዜ ብዙ ሓበሬታ ስለ ዘይንረክብ a lot of secrecy ስለ ዘለዎም ምስጢር ሒዞም ስለ ዝኸዱ ከይተወደየ ምዝራብ ትርጉም የብሉን ስለ ዝብሉ ሕጂ ኮይንካ ኩሉ እቲ ዶትስ ኮኔክት ክትገብሮ ከለኻ it makes sense ኣብ ገሊኡ ንሕና ንሓርቕ ነርና you remember ኣብዚ ንዓሰብ ወይ ንገለ ንህቦ ንገለ ንብል ነርና ግን at the end of the day they're making all ኩሉ እዚ ነገራት ናርኣዩ የወዳድሩ ነይሮም ማለት እዩ and the biggest loser ኣብዚ መን ክኸውን ይኽእል ከም ዝበሃል probably ብልፅግና ይክኸውን because they were banking ኤርትራ sanctioned ክትከውን and then ነቲ ናይ ኤርትራ ሉላውነት ንክደፍሩ and everything ንክገብሩ ምስ ሱዳን ምስ ካል ምስ ኩሉ ኣብ ሽግራት እዮም ኣለዉ ስለዚ ኤርትራ ምስ ግብፂ ዘለዎ ጥራይ ዘይኮነስ ምስ ኣሜሪካ straight ክዘራረቡን ዲፕሎማሲን ተጀሚሮም then ዝፍትንዋ ዝነበሩ እስከ ተበገሰት ሜታ እንዲያ already ተረፋ የብላን ኣብዚ እዋን እዚ እኮ ኣይኮነን ኣብ ኤርትራ ንክኸይድ ፋኖ መዓስ ይመፁን እዩ ዘሎ እቲ ናቱ ዘረባ ስለዚ ህዝቢ ኤርትራ ሳላ ዝመከተስ ክሓልፈሉ ዝደለየ ይመስል ግን ዝተወደ ነገር ካየለን ቀልጢፍና ካ ሰለብሬት ንገብር የብልና
there is hint ኣሎ ታድበልካያ ዞርቱ ሓወይ when it comes to the diplomacy because with America, they've been trying for the last 8 years because I live here. But Sofia, kullum, they tried every corner. I mean, all the channels were closed, especially some Democrat era karlo. Wala hijina Trump karlo. They tried. They keep trying. They never stop trying.
أنا نزياون بكالب كابزو هاي تزاررنا لانجن أمباسادر صوفيا عبتنا United Nations كريا خلوسي one أنت كلا كابتن وحدة دكنستيا كاليتي she's brilliant, charismatic and well spoken. زياتهم أب دبلوماسي كتريهم كلها عبت رايزلو من every بزوج زي كريا خلوه she always has this close connection to Antonio Guterres, the Secretary General of the UN, and this opens a lot of doors in Eritrea. I mean, I don't know how they decided, but a brilliant lady of United Nations can get it is an advantage, really an advantage. In a world full of men, brilliant woman and well-spoken woman, and kind of well-connected and sociable person, for me, that was a very intelligent move, and I can say this is one of them. She has this charisma and this connectionness, and then she is also the Nata English Zarabadma. It's like a music. Those one of Zarab, and those kullum ziyom adlatum of diplomacy. You don't have to be a genius. You just have to be an average, well-spoken person and charismatic, sociable, connected diplomacy زياتهم عبيت أساتيسيو. سلزي كلهم دبلوماتنا إيرترا زريو معناه she's top of the class and أبيو إنكن جبرا مغالنا دما كتكون مغالا. I have never said anything exactly this بخالص أبغن I've been watching her ولاتي على social media تصفون كريه الله ناي بحكي نتي دمت ولدو ناي دبلوماتس كمان أبي أبنت كتكون تقلن ممبر كتكون تقلن كهنات مان سلزي yes I can imagine she has played a great role in this I don't know ولا حدا زرقه بقى تابل لينجن I can imagine her role in the United Nations suppose on a connection
including Washington by the way she played hard
yes
she's ready to answer question she takes credit very well she got backbone I mean she's remarkable Sofia is one of the most remarkable Eritrean Abzi wala Krimi ambassador Mukhana Kaman, she was a community organizer. Like she would talk to any Eritreans that walk in the door. That you'll fall in love with her. She's humble. She's she's charismatic. She knows how to write. She knows how to talk. And she came to the Eritrea on the map clearly. So you're absolutely right about her.
Yes, I mean, in general, I approach the next generation diplomats na Eritrea the fact that we have this giant diaspora community ab Sweden ambassador ተደሊና ኣብ Sweden ተወሊዶም ዝዓበዩ ሃገራውነት ዘለቦስ ሰባት ኢኻ ትገብር because it has a great advantage nati inena awut nay ta'addus faltwo hada bi Ertra ዝነበረ መንሰይ ወላ ለቅነት ያህልዎ ናብዚ ኤሮፓ ኮሚኒቲ ምሲኻዮ at full speed operate ንኽገብር ቁርብ ይኸብደይ ምክንያቱ you have to understand the culture you have to understand the dynamics ናይ ተዓዲ ነዚ ጂ ካብ ኤርትራ ምሲኻ ኣብቲ ክፋል ናይ ስታፍ ክገብር ትኽእል ኢኻ ግን ነቲ ولا أنت واحد اللي تبي سكتر كفان نايتي إمباسديو قال أبدجز تولدوا إيرتراويان أبتعدز تمهروا إيرتراويان جن حجراويان دما أبتدم بحجراو النزول بر ولا إيرترا خد كاترين هبوب نزيوم مقبار مالت تابتز جبا كان لا عليك تسعوات مغل you can punch beyond your capability سلزي إيرترا نزيز اللوان diaspora network and حرتك ما تلو I think نيرترا أن ICE camera is going to be a big جاي كونسل معناته إيرترا نمبزح سبس شوكس قبر عينة communities اللهم نشتي هاجر 3 مليون 5 مليون كتبلات أنا كأجنب تقف مثلا حدا نيجيريا يعني ذكر بأفريقيا بتليان كنا تقول ناسي بزحات إيرترا أنا بكمباني ناسي إيرترا كنا يو زبا قليل ومسي 3 مليون يو بالنسبة لوس ما 3 مليون أبتليان ترى لهم ديس كنا بيترو أنا بس كان بغري أكون كله كاب نيجيريان تبزحيل الناس لذي I can ما معنى بيو أو يجي إنترنت يلن ويجازيتا يلن بروف تقبل لي تخلنا هيك ما معنى بيو no إيرتراين كم خوني كلهم كاب 3 مليون كان لزق مسي كلهم نيجيريا اللي 100 مليون أنا just can you imagine that أبزخ ندير لنا نابلسي نسومنات تجارب أبتكام access نايدا game information سلزينا برنا انتهى مالتيو proportionality تاريخها إيرترا أبي community سلزلوا أبدقة كمي جرنا نزيل leverage نقبرو إيرترا زلوا تسقطات كتكملوا أبت fully capitalized تجاراتلو نزي أب diplomacy بلو أب business بلو أب education بلو أب investment بلو كمو نزي knowledge transfer بلو إيرترا لعامة كتقول لتدخل مدب على لوجنا جين sanction كسب لك كل جزء تا ماكينة كتقول يدخل تخينا grosso اللي تحسين حسين كسرت وين grosso اللي التسانكشن السي درجة grosso زي بالله ماكينة يزقبركا بأقل لخريو خلو تا ماكينة سي كتير يتدلنا ندعي زلوا ندعي زي بالله ماكينة خير نقول تخيل الله إيرترا راين تايو أكيد تاس grosso كالنا جرات قدي لوالو سأزكت كل تفاي تخلنا التنو دليل حمبابي كجات ما يكون سلزي sanctions ليفت تكون تحرقينه الزنا جرك فتح خلاله تخاله كله دهريو كما تزخلي and I think من البات I'm too optimistic
to be honest with you it's Wall Street Journal comes together most of all it's a hint because there is something happening there is something cooking and I knew somehow from the Islam type it comes well high earlier while at diaspora the law at the diplomatic era the law they work hard on it I'm telling you every door I'm not every door every avenue the law every places every sanitarium they've been working really tirelessly so we knew it was injustice the sanctions never but حجي خانتي نايسا سافوركي من الاسكافتي needed is cast and غبارو that work for our benefits at the end of the day it's like this يوم لا diplomat abdaggas وليدوم دعابي دبنتايو it is on a fairness كاب عندك مسؤولون بحاليتي يعني and I understand your point of view سلامتاي أختي عادي دودو زخافلة that whatever did that they have to pay for the country سلامتاي هاجروا كلام لازم ولا let's say they can learn كم زي كذا تساليهم كم internship سوكات قبروا يلا هجي internship دلوا بزحات أو دلوا من سيد راهين كم مو كانوا كعب اللوامبر تي عبد مولو ما قالوا سريح وقت foreign office نعرف ما عتلو فو جورج هاويكتي foreign office نا إيرسيا تاتون تيجي جروم تجيرهم تزمت they will be very well qualified الجيسي تاز نبينيام برهي إجراء he's homegrown but he's well spoken very well spoken articulately well spoken هنجي كم بعد ما يسمعهم دنبر you know like such as people like that كمو half and half is whole balance
no أنا كنتي أبير ترازل لمن سياوندي عبيانة I said intelligence is in Eritrea بزح intelligence بيزلو ناي I have no doubt about بالحنا إرتراويان ولا ونتي نايسرح منفسنا إرتراويان كم زبالك خي ab diplomacy you need an average intelligence نعي دردعني more social intelligence is like plus the language جيب English and European I understand ولا ونو كابتن بس نتي نمحبركم دي ونقلت كبير تراز مزوك علي وقولي نتي PR section دي ولا قال نقرقن أبتعد home grown كنت كمان لك أدل انت لك قوين so a company كسرح كلها نزل نقرات كم normally نوزدو when you open a branch in هذا camp corporation سابير ترا branch كافت كله they always hire the local intelligence so كم يخاطتك local skill يخاطتك جن نتي global نتنات كا headquarter concept دما بخال من قدرت السجاجرية خاص لازم كله جزء ناي تعدد أدل انت لك قوينو سجاتات لك قوينو ما خا خمس ولا كوي تمهارو كنت قينا من نتقام قاز قولون تمهارو تقينا بإرتراو سيد كان قادر تمرتوت بمتغلقة maybe ambassador كبإرتراك مسغل أبت تحت قلنتي نقرات قبل الكاز قولوا لوكال زخونون ده رجيركا أنا نجارب لنا برز common sense تمنقص قبري مهنياتو it's actually سلام تايدين حجنس دقة دبلوماسين قالن زمن رزول لبإرتراتي كنت بقى تحت سلزلنا مركو تقول طبعا احنا ونطلع انت ما تيجي كنت سبون أبدأت أني هنا بوشتاتيون probably similarity تكفتر اللي زخل من قد كل غلي قل مزتبز حزب نازل لو بقمتري قابد قبز سبي زلنا سلازي نتزلو سبنا خمت كاملين بر نتوما وش تزلو عدلات كبنت على لهم سيد اللي تيقوننا
PR totally understandable that makes sense بتعمل PR تكمل ما بدك دعابيو very well understanding في ambassador في chargé d'affaires في ambassador decision maker كون كله كابعدي much more like it will give it credibility هو ما تيمبر حقها حسنا ما
yes زي قبل دلينير I think كي تردانا ننوح كنا لنا نتي platform كحزلكم هيدا لنا
that's okay this is a good news this is a very excellent news زوجنا نعمل هيز بيرترا دسبينا sanction دسبي so I mean coming from Wall Street Journal it's just huge for us especially liberal يمستاتهم some double Kai George I mean the Trump يدقفونهم كلا نجكا is one of the humongous huge media and news outlet to credibility the low mio so I'm very happy تحب زينا ينبرد تعمل
what was the news Sharon كان انت هيرس كده كاب جواري بتاع زيارة
بريف كبر لهم جورج حاوين هيجي نزمة قرب
So تايو مسيلكم تزينا Wall Street Journal سنتاي بلالو مسيلكم US seeks to reset ties with reclusive but strategically vital African state. Eritrea has been described as Africa's North Korea and it is Red Sea coastline makes it a potential bulwark against Iranian influence. لذي أمريكا مسيرترا engage كتقبر تدللا أيوت bottom line and ولا أنت article تاريخية بتقدميت it's all about the coastline strategic importance نيرترا استقبر relationship بيجيبت درومس president سياسي senior advisor تراقي بخمس نبرة كمنا باليوم زخدا تحت شعو إنه كم زي human rights violation دو بلدو قال يبلو في classical script مالتي anyway US is مسير ترانجيج كتقبر وين common sanctions lift تقبر الله نقول تديك وانا قال كفالنا يتقرا قتل علوم المدب كم زلوا يوز قال سبت article مالتيو and زيادة زينا زلا and I don't know لوميا وتي مثلا yes April 20 حجي ساعات حمشتن عصرت حمشتن يا من وزيادة that's why بزح سب زي رأي زلا and I think بحجي يكري زلا
يا كل حاجة the thing is you have to subscribe غير كاي خاطري on it أجن حنتي استاجرنا summarize غيرنا maybe David حدا بو تحت له I will send it today David هم نزي article كنت سامبل قبل جها because we have an article that style نزي رئيسي بيكنا لوا ومزي أمري هو من سنة is one of the
زيا بزوك الصحافة لازم لوايا
oh yeah
زيا بزوك
David حدا بو سمعنا نهر لها تاع Wall Street Journal كفتامو لو مدوسة
بوستاب هاي بلنا أنا PDF داونلود غيرك بكاون خليه
okay alright David هم يا كداوي سمعنا الهذا إيكها بنيمو just say yes قال بلنا because Satum they are one of the board member نايتي ناي ريسيبي كان بهذه حياة so maybe that's a very good idea and كل شخص سمعوا بفيديو أنت داونلود غير كايا جورج how is very helpful
نبى فيديو كوتس بغيرك صراحة دي صباح بنتي international audience ولا كجبراك في الدنيا ولا بإنجليش غيرنا قلنا نقدر كنجبراك في الدنيا أبزون publish كنجبراينا بإنجليش صار هنا قلنا copyright كل وصل زغل we always have to be careful كنتنقى لنا فقط بزوج أجمع سلزقات منا بزوج تنقى زادلنا في اليوتيوب ستنقى ليه
أبتي كم زين هناك article summarize تجيب الصحافة is going to be a problematic. I don't think so, is it?
The article كان PDF I'm pretty sure بعد ريت بيكن كتعرف ويا مزيا and trust me بلتقنا كتمونا كخنيهم I don't know ويا بيرترا.
This is huge for us. Is it نايدا بحقنا not only that is a good news أنا كمان PR كميكم تقمنا من هذا نقول بيتنا. Honestly speaking, this is huge for us. This is big.
This is as big as it gets. Manet Cap Wall Street Journal is more but on business leaders and policymakers. Zinibab journal use lazy. I think and this is not done to please Eritrea or whatever. It's just we want Habiz in a very relationship last year I got me blue. جيت ليكس رخيبهم واتيزا لمبر اكتوبر بريزنت ساسكي يدخل مستمسات بلوس ترخيبهم زنبروس او هاي يتقصوا سلازي anyway تودى نجار يلن كسيلنا نريو نجاريو بغني أعطون كن سامعهم كنينا just I want to break this good news kind of good news.
Hopefully Eritrean independence is coming, so it will be a gift for Eritreans to make Eritrean happy, double victory, a double celebration for Lili Hassan. I hope it will come before that. Go ahead, Samir Hawimo.
Thank you, Dr. George. Sharon Tatu Tsanhat, New York. What was the website that you have subscribed to get some information? Wall Street Journal. بدي بغفلتي ناي جورج درارك بدي كفلت بزحت تجاو نجار بدي كفلتي موت ينكي بكبلك عندك إيرك كلهم سبسكرايب دي جوركم سبسكرايب جورلوني جورج درار نعهم تأمين عوريك ونس نعهم تأمين وعلى تعانتو يكون من ديرنس حرسة دخان برودكت جبر كله عشان شو اللي جلز عينتي تزرعها تجز عد جلو جل نبدو يبوك ويجل تجنّو بوك احتيم له أكله صباح عبريت الله أفتح عبي عندك زايو يخون زلوتي أبروش نحن نبالغ جورج درار سبسكرايب جورو زي كنا سبسكرايب جورو free of charge information تروحوا هذا زي main point خمت I think بعد ما بزعبا زي إيران ناي well by the way أمريكا مس إيران ترامب مس إيران رايح هذا كنا كجبرز لابزي عالم قلنا كابت predict نقول نورا 2025 نسخمان إسرائيل نخاعقس China كربنو دوارز قبرو diplomatic blackmailing financial blackmailing كم تعين نقدر كله فيلي نسأل كنات ما يجيني إيران تعمير إسرائيل كعقس بالجماعة يرعى مشارن بس سو درجمتي أنت أين مبالي بعد ما مني كملس جمالس اللي يعطيك أمانير ولا داوت مني نيرو إيرتراس يتزورون أمريكا sanction على إيرترا مالتي إيشكال حاجات وابزها إيشكال هذا اللي في أمريكا ده political sanction cross sanctions لو diplomatic لهنا بس الزفرة عمين إنجليز زي جورو نالله مزنا إيران.
U.S. seeks to reset ties with reclusive but strategically vital African state. Eritrea has been described as Africa's North Korea, and its Red Sea coastline makes it a potential bulwark against Iranian influence. By Robbie Gramer and Somerset. April 22nd, 2026, 5:15 p.m. Eastern Time. The Trump administration is exploring ways to reset ties with a reclusive and autocratic state controlling prime geopolitical real estate along the Red Sea as Iran threatens to choke off a second vital maritime corridor against the backdrop of war with the U.S. A senior Trump official, Masad Boulos, has told foreign counterparts that the U.S. aims to begin lifting some sanctions on Eritrea, a small African country with more than 700 miles of Red Sea coastline, according to current and former officials familiar with the matter. It is part of an effort by the Trump administration to restore higher-level diplomatic relations with the country for the first time in decades. Other officials said the plan to normalize ties with Eritrea and lift sanctions on the country is undergoing review and hasn't yet been finalized. The U.S. diplomatic push comes as an Iran-backed rebel group in Yemen, the Houthis, has threatened to shut down maritime traffic in the Red Sea amid Tehran's efforts to cut trade through the Strait of Hormuz since the start of its war with the U.S. and Israel. The plan to reset ties with Eritrea predated the U.S. war in Iran, but Tehran's moves to close the Strait of Hormuz has elevated the importance of U.S. policy on the Red Sea, a crucial choke point used by some of the Middle East's main oil exporters to bypass the Persian Gulf. The Strait of Hormuz is the gateway to the Middle East's vast oil wealth on the east side of the Arabian Peninsula. The Red Sea is on the western side and a vital route for military and commercial maritime traffic from the Mediterranean to the Indian Ocean. The Houthis have repeatedly threatened to shut the Bab al-Mandeb Strait at the mouth of the Red Sea to support Tehran. Boulos, President Trump's envoy for Africa, met privately with Eritrea's president, Isaias Afwerki, late last year in Cairo, officials and other people involved in the talks said. The goal of the meeting was to discuss an easing of U.S. sanctions and kickstart higher-level dialogues about resetting U.S.-Eritrea ties. On Monday, Boulos met with Egyptian President Abdel Fattah al-Sisi in Cairo. Egypt is helping facilitate the dialogue between the U.S. and the Eritrean leader, officials said. During that meeting, Boulos told Sisi the U.S. plans to begin lifting sanctions on Eritrea soon, officials familiar with the matter said. Boulos previously met with Eritrea's foreign minister, Osman Salah Mohammed, in September on the sidelines of the UN General Assembly in New York, officials said. A State Department spokesperson said the Trump administration looks forward to strengthening U.S. ties with the people and government of Eritrea. The spokesperson didn't address specific questions related to an easing of U.S. sanctions on Eritrea, and the department didn't make Boulos available for an interview. The Egyptian Foreign Ministry and Eritrean Embassy in Washington didn't respond to a request for comment. A final decision to reset U.S.-Eritrea ties has lurched forward and stalled at various points in recent months, in part because the administration's top decision-makers have their hands full with other major foreign policy crises, including the Gaza conflict and war with Iran. The Eritrean leader has ruled his country since it first gained independence from Ethiopia in 1993 and has since consolidated power to create one of the world's most repressive dictatorships. U.S. congressional commissions have referred to Eritrea as the North Korea of Africa for its systemic repression of political dissidents and religious freedom, as well as the torture of prisoners and forced conscription of a bulk of the country's youth into military service. Freedom House, which rates political rights and civil liberties worldwide, ranks Eritrea and North Korea side by side as two of the most authoritarian countries in the world. Eritrea is rich in mineral resources, and its Red Sea coast is across from Saudi Arabia and Yemen. Neighboring Djibouti is home to the densest cluster of foreign military bases in the world, including from the US, China, France, Japan, and Italy, underscoring the strategic importance of the Red Sea to foreign powers. U.S. naval vessels, including carrier strike groups, typically use the Red Sea to transit between the Mediterranean and Indian Oceans, though the ships have come under attack in recent years by the Houthis. The Trump administration launched a 2-month-long military air campaign against the Houthis in 2025 after the group targeted commercial shipping in the Red Sea with missile and drone attacks. Trump halted the campaign in May after he said the Houthis agreed to stop attacks on the commercial shipping lanes. Still, the Houthi threat to reopen hostilities has fueled new concerns about maritime traffic through the Bab al-Mandeb Strait. A U.S. carrier strike group, led by the USS George H.W. Bush, recently sailed around the southern Cape of Africa to join U.S. operations against Iran, rather than taking the shorter route transiting through the Red Sea. Some U.S. officials have concluded that the status quo of sanctions and minimal engagement with Eritrea isn't working, and dangling the prospect of lifting sanctions to begin dialogue could yield the U.S. long-term benefits in the Red Sea region. These officials said the Red Sea region is too strategically important for the U.S. not to try to reopen ties with Eritrea, despite Eritrea's human rights record. Some analysts have questioned this logic. Normally, when we lift sanctions, the country has done something to merit it, said Cameron Hudson, a former U.S. intelligence and State Department official who tracks the region. It is the exact same militarized, autocratic state that it has been since 1993. If we are going to reward them with lifting sanctions, then what are we getting for it? A U.S. reset of ties with Eritrea could affect conflicts and rivalries elsewhere in the war-racked Horn of Africa region, officials said. U.S. officials have privately raised fears that Ethiopia is gearing up for a war with Eritrea, as its government says the landlocked nation has historic claims to Eritrean coastlines. Write to Robbie Gramer at robbie.gramer@wsj.com and Summer said at summer.said@wsj.com.